Remembering the winter wind, it's humming out of tune, like actors on a sunset, casting shadows across the room. Remember dawn, the curtains drawn in greys and subtle blues, and me smiling from the mountaintop at you, smiling from the mountaintop at you. And I recall the scent of fall, the dead leaves on a fire, and leaving home a bird's flown waving high up on a wire. Recalling dusk, the burning brush that painted autumn true, and me smiling from the mountaintop at you, smiling from the mountaintop at you. And we lived there forever, littering the foreground, and paintings on a wall inside my head. And we are there together, before it all was torn down. We were turning green